Hey, do you know why we don't tell secrets on the internet? Because it is not safe. I'm just joking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making money on owodaily. Yes, I mean Owo, Kudi, Ego. Owo means money. I'm going to show you the steps you will need to take to start making money on owodaily. Owodaily is a website that pays you to subscribe, like, follow on any social media. You can also run adverts on owodaily. There are steps, different steps in making money on owodaily. So join me in this video to show you the different process, step by step, the different process you need to take to start making money on owodaily.
You will go to Google and type owodaily. As a new user, you will type your full name, your email address, and your username. This is step 1, and you will click on next. The next phase will take you, let's say my full name is Ebube, and you click on next. Then you'll be required to put your purpose of sign up, subscribe as a member. You can also choose other option, claim cashback, subscribe for membership. Once you select your purpose of sign up, go to the next phase. What is your country of origin? I'm from Nigeria. If you're from Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, Zambia, you can choose any other country here of your choice. From here, you put your phone number 081 blah blah blah, whatever your number is, and click on next. Once you click on next, you'll be automatically charged. You'll be automatically required to pay 5,000 naira. It costs 5,000 naira to register on this platform. Let us click on the info on this place here to get started. Okay, so owodaily.com, a micro job and consumer reward marketplace, was launched in Lagos, Nigeria in 2020, and currently stands as the most popular platform of its kind in Africa. Members can earn money through various online activities such as engaging as nano influencers, creating content, completing reward bounties, and shopping on our marketplace to claim cashback and cash reward through invites. Owodaily provide exclusive opportunity for members to earn supplemental income on their terms. Join over 30,000 members already earning with Owodaily as business continue to hire influencers for micro job campaigns, reward bounties, and to promote cashback deals. Sign up today and start supplementing your income the easy way with Owodaily. To choose a membership plan below and enjoy the member exclusive benefits starting today. Micro jobs 97%, reward bounties 99%, community support 94, discounts and cashback 98, hire micro influencers 91. It costs less than 500 naira a month to make money on owodaily, less than you spend daily on your mobile data. So this is the cashback, 5,000 naira billed annually. So there are three ways to access this app. Cashback, forever free. The cashback membership access will give you access to deals and cashback, community access, weekly deals, newsletter, net 7 weekly payouts. And then the 5,000 naira membership will give you micro job, reward bounty, member support, deals, cashback rewards, community access, higher micro influencers, net 7 weekly payouts, higher micro influencers, and the plus membership will give you, which is 15,000 naira, will give you membership plus list reward bounty, priority membership support, private community access, personal account manager, instant post job notification, list cashback verified only, net 7 weekly payouts. So as for me here, I'm a member already on owodaily and I signed up with 5,000 naira. I would advise that you go for 15,000 naira, but to start as a new beginner, if you don't have all the cash, you can start with 5,000 naira. So to start with owodaily, please simply go to the description and click the link on my description. Click the link below in my description to start your registration. So let us log into our daily app. And the good thing about this is that you can access this platform on your phone. Members login. And my password. I am not a robot. Login. We have different tasks that we can access here, and by completing any of the micro jobs currently available, cashback deals, shop for discount deals and receive cashback after purchase, cashback rewards, bonus commission, referring customers to active cashback deals. So this is the 5,000 naira membership access. This is what you will have access to if you pay for the 5,000 naira membership. Job submission, track your completed jobs to monitor their submission status. Cashback receipt, check the status of your submitted cashback claims and receipts. Hire micro workers. Hire targeted micro workers by submitting a job listed in detail. Job resubmission. Resubmit rejected job submission after making request correction. Claim your earnings. Withdraw earnings from your Owo wallet to your bank account. Micro job listing. Review and manage micro workers submission for your posted jobs. Top up credit wallet. Load your credit wallet using bank transfers, card and more for listing. Community discussion. Discuss on community forum to maximize savings and rewards. So in this community discussion, you can discuss with other members on the platform to better understand the platform and to have a better relationship with people on the platform. So when we click on micro jobs, we have a lot of micro jobs here. Like and comment on Instagram for 15 naira. Join group for 30 naira. Visit website for 15 naira. Instagram job for 10 naira. Join me on Telegram, and there is a lot of job here. Bonus. Promote your first digital product and earn commission. 1,000 naira commission. 5,000 naira. Subscribe my YouTube channel. 15 naira. So I've been able to do I've been able to perform some of these tasks. and I have 340 naira in my wallet. So this is the tasks you are required to perform, like and comment on Instagram and the rest of them. And all this is under micro job. We still have other options. Okay, let's go back. Cashback deals. When we click on cashback deals, this is the cashback deals here. Let me enlarge it. 50,000 naira. Glow up with Dabota shop, spend, shine, and earn cashback. Cashback is 3,300. When you promote Dabota Comestics, when you promote Dabota Comestics, you earn 3,333 naira. When you register your business, bank account, and Stripe in Canada, you earn for 475,000, you get a cashback of 23,033 naira. When you register your business with 475,260 naira, you get a cashback of 23,033 naira. Register LLC in USA with 386,000 and get a cashback of 23,033 naira. Let us go back. Cashback rewards. This is cashback rewards. Okay. This is cashback rewards. This is what you get by sharing your link on social media. Once people click on your link, automatically you will earn. Owodaily will pay you 2,500 naira bonus. So you can grab this affiliate link and start earning. Job submission. This is where you can access all the job you have submitted to know if it has been reviewed, accepted. So if your job submission, those jobs you have done and submitted has been accepted, you will get a green icon here saying accepted, and it will tell you the reason. While if it is flagged red, they will tell you the reason why it is flagged. So let's click on one of them here. Reason. Tax has been auto approved. When we go back and click on cash receipt, this is where you get receipts for every cash out you made. Hire micro workers. This is a place where you hire micro workers. It says here, hire digital workers. Select the country you want to hire digital workers from. You can choose multiple countries by pressing both the shift and control key. If you choose, all the post job will be shown to all workers on owodaily. So you can choose between app influencers, Facebook influencers, Google Map influencers, Instagram influencers, blog owners, and they will help you promote your business. So owodaily will automatically gather the influencers you need, and they will help you promote your business. This is the place where you claim your earnings. From here, you will see the amount on your platform, payouts, the next payout dates. So from here, you get to see the number of jobs available for you. Community discussion, just like I said before, you will get to relate with other people on the platform. When you click on follow, when you follow them, they will be able to. So as you can see here, right now, owodaily have up to 183,000 members, and the topic discussion right now, the topic they have for discussion right now is 88, and they have about 1,057 posts right now. So all you need to do here is to join the discussion. It's good to adhere to every instruction here. So that's all for today's video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification if you're getting value from this video. Thank you.